Ever wondered if your job will still exist in the next 10 years due to the rise of AI? The lightning-fast evolution of artificial intelligence has many of us questioning our professional futures. There's a certain unease that comes with the thought of robots and algorithms potentially displacing human workers. But what if we told you that the impact of AI on various job sectors could present opportunities as well as challenges? The future of work might not be as bleak as you think. Joining us today is Dr. Jane Doe, a leading expert in the field of AI and its impact on employment. Welcome, Dr. Doe. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you for having me. It's a fascinating topic, and I'm glad to be here to discuss it. Let's dive right in. There's a lot of talk about AI making us jobless. Is there any truth to it? Well, it's not that simple. AI will definitely disrupt many sectors, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's more about transformation than elimination. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks or data analysis are likely to be automated, but this could free up time for professionals to focus on more complex tasks. Can you give us an idea about the time frame we're looking at? Predicting exact timelines is tricky, but we're already seeing the impact in some sectors. The pace will likely pick up over the next 10 to 20 years. What sectors are most likely to be affected? Industries with a high degree of automation potential, such as manufacturing, retail, and transport, are likely to see significant changes, but even creative fields could be influenced by AI. There's a lot of fear around this topic. Can you dispel some of the myths? Absolutely. The biggest myth is that AI will lead to mass unemployment. It's more likely that AI will change the nature of jobs rather than wipe them out completely. We've seen similar shifts before with the advent of the computer and the internet. So it's not all doom and gloom? Not at all. There's a lot of potential for AI to create new jobs as well. For instance, we'll need more people to develop, maintain, and manage these AI systems. So it's not all doom and gloom. AI might reshape jobs, but it doesn't have to eliminate them. Thank you, Dr. Doe, for sharing your insights and helping us understand the potential impact of AI on our jobs. Let's delve into some real-life examples of how AI is changing the job landscape. First, let's look at the healthcare industry. Here, AI has been a game changer. Take the case of a small clinic in rural America. They were struggling with a shortage of medical staff. However, they didn't let this be a roadblock. They integrated AI into their operations, which helped diagnose patients more accurately and quickly. AI did not replace jobs here. Instead, it amplified the capabilities of the existing staff, enabling them to serve more patients and even create new roles focused on AI maintenance and data analysis. Moving on to the manufacturing sector. A mid-sized factory in Germany was grappling with high production costs. They decided to implement AI-powered robots for some repetitive tasks. The result? Not only did they manage to cut costs significantly, but they also saw a surge in production. The workers who were initially doing these tasks were not laid off. Instead, they were trained to supervise these robots, leading to an increase in their pay scale. In the retail industry, AI has been instrumental in personalizing the shopping experience. A clothing brand in the UK used AI to analyze customer preferences and make personalized style recommendations. This didn't lead to job losses. Instead, it created new positions for data scientists and AI specialists who could understand and interpret the data. Lastly, let's consider the education sector. In a school in Singapore, AI is being used to grade assignments, freeing up teachers to focus more on individual student development. Again, no jobs were lost. Instead, teachers' roles evolved and new jobs were created in managing and improving the AI system. As these examples show, AI can be a tool for job creation and transformation, rather than a job killer. But remember, the key here is adaptability. We need to be open to learning and evolving with these technological advancements. After all, as the saying goes, the only constant in life is change. And it seems the future of work is no exception to that rule. So, how can you stay ahead in the age of AI? Well, the answer lies in two key strategies: upskilling and reskilling. In a world where artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market, it's crucial to stay adaptable and be ready to learn new skills. It's not about fighting the tide of AI, but rather learning to surf it. Upskilling, the process of learning new competencies or enhancing your existing skill set, is a critical strategy for staying relevant. It's about looking at your current role and asking, how can I add more value? What skills can I acquire or improve to stay ahead? Reskilling, on the other hand, involves learning entirely new skills to transition into a different role or industry. It's about looking at the job market and asking, where is the demand? What skills are needed, and how can I acquire them? But where do you start? Well, the beauty of the digital age is that resources for upskilling and reskilling are plentiful and often just a few clicks away. Online learning platforms offer a vast array of courses and certifications across a multitude of fields. Whether you're interested in data analysis, machine learning, or digital marketing, there's a course out there for you. In addition to online learning, networking and mentorship are invaluable tools. Connect with professionals in your field or the field you aspire to enter. Learn from their experiences and seek their guidance. Remember, upskilling and reskilling isn't a solitary journey, it's a community effort. Another strategy is to embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than setbacks. Adopting this mindset will not only help you navigate the shifting landscapes of the job market, but also enrich your personal and professional life. Ultimately, upskilling and reskilling are about taking control of your career in an ever-evolving world. It's about being proactive, adaptable, and eager to learn. With the right skills, you can ride the wave of AI rather than being swept away by it. What does the future of work look like in an AI-driven world? Well, if you're picturing a scene out of a sci-fi movie with robots taking over, you might want to reconsider. The reality is likely to be far less dramatic, but equally transformative. Consider this. AI is not just about replacing human tasks, it's also about enhancing human capabilities. Think of AI as a tool, like a hammer or a computer. A hammer doesn't make a carpenter obsolete, it just makes their job easier. Similarly, AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up time for humans to focus on more complex creative endeavors. So, what does this mean for the future of work? It means the rise of new job roles that we can't even imagine today. Just as the internet gave birth to roles like social media manager and app developer, AI will create new opportunities in fields like AI ethics and AI system training. Moreover, AI has the potential to level the playing field. With AI-powered tools, small businesses can compete with giants, and remote workers can be as effective as those in the office. It's a world where your location, background, or physical abilities matter less than your ideas and your drive. And let's not forget the benefits of AI in terms of productivity and efficiency. With AI taking care of routine tasks, humans can focus on strategic thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. It's about working smarter, not harder. But this future isn't guaranteed. It requires investment in education and training, and policies that ensure the benefits of AI are shared widely. It's a future that requires us to embrace change, not fear it. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, remember this. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. It's about harnessing the power of AI to augment our own capabilities and create a future where work is more meaningful, more creative, and more impactful. The future of work is a blend of human creativity and AI efficiency. As we wrap up, remember this. Artificial intelligence is not a villain out to snatch away your livelihood. Rather, it's a transformative force, reshaping the professional landscape. Today, we've journeyed through the complex web of AI and its potential impact on jobs. We've heard from experts, analyzed case studies, and explored the concept of upskilling and reskilling. The key takeaway is this. AI does not necessarily mean job elimination, but job evolution. The rise of AI is not a doom prophecy, rather a call to adapt, learn, and grow. The jobs of tomorrow may look vastly different from the jobs of today, but that's not a cause for fear, it's an invitation to innovation. In the face of this shift, our best strategy is to embrace change, to remain flexible, and to continuously learn and upskill. As the tide of technology rises, so must our willingness to ride its waves. Resilience, adaptability, and lifelong learning. These are the keys to not just surviving, but thriving in the era of AI. So let's not view AI as a threat, but as an opportunity to create, innovate, and elevate our professional lives. Change is inevitable, but with the right mindset and skills, we can turn it into an opportunity.